Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a resin tutorial. I will be using ArtNGlow resin. There's the resin and the hardener. And what I'm going to be using today is this silicone mold. I got it from Michael's. It's just a gemstone candy baking mold. I'm just going to try it. This is the first time I've ever tried this mold. What I am also trying for the first time is trying to put these little puffy stickers, and I have them cut out onto, well, these have been took out of the regular plastic and put on this piece of plastic that was actually a self-seal bag. I've cut in half and then just cut pieces away from it and placed them wherever I wanted on that little piece of paper, as long as it's smaller than the opening on the silicone mold, and that you can put it in. And when I put it in, I'm going to put it in upside down, but so that you could see them, I put them upright. After I do a clear layer, I'm going to be using some really cute glitter, a teal color, a pink color. Sorry, my focus came out. A light blue and a dark blue glitter to go with these silicone molds. And I'm going to be using a silicone measuring cup so that I can pour some resin in this and pour it into these cavities. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to get started by pouring the resin into my silicone measuring cup. And I am going to maybe make let's say 40. I'll do 20 of the resin and 20 of the hardener. That way I'll have plenty of resin, and I may just fill some more of the other molds and do something with them later, but that way I'll have enough to put in these molds. So just gonna pull it off to the side so that I can see it. I'm going to take a paper towel, wipe my lid, that way it won't drip or get sticky later on. Close that one. So I have 20 in this one, and then I'm going to put 20 of this one also. Wiping the lid also with a different part of this paper towel so that they don't react and have a lot of resin on my container. Close that up. Now I will begin to stir the resin. It will be stringy and foggy for just a little while, making sure I'm going to scrape the sides and the bottom of the container so that it gets fully mixed. And after this gets fully mixed, I'll be back. I have another piece of paper towel. You can see there's quite a few bubbles still in there. But I was just going to scrape the top and get some of those bubbles out of there. And then wipe them out so that we're not using that resin. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pour some of this in my mold. Alright, so I have quite a bit left. I may use that for something else. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and try to put these in there. Now I've heard when you put these puffy stickers in, they're just going to float around. But this cavity is not very big. And if it does, it won't go very far. And I can put some more resin on top, and it won't be a problem. I can always come back here in a little while, a few minutes, and move it around to where I want it. The reason I put it on this piece of plastic, for one, it helps get some of those bubbles out, maybe keep those pieces where I want them. So there's a piece of bubble came out. Hopefully it works like I'm thinking it will. It also creates a little pocket in there. So I'm hoping all of them rise to the top. They don't seem to be floating around, but there may be bubbles trapped in there, I'm not sure. You see quite a few bubbles between those two. The other one doesn't seem to have as many bubbles, but we'll see whenever it gets done. I know you probably can't see them from the angle that you're at, or how it's out of focus as far as that. It's not zoomed in, I'm sorry. If there's any bubbles left over, you can always just hide them behind your stickers, as long as they've been able to be moved. But these are more of a test experiment pieces. See what happens. I've not seen anyone use this mold. I'm sure someone has, but I think it's really cute, so I thought I would try it and see what happens. And now I'm not going to put the glitter in just yet. I will do glitter, but I'm going to let this kind of set up a little bit until it's a little bit tacky. That way they're not floating down underneath that plastic or underneath those stickers and causing the picture to have so much glitter on it that you can't see the actual sticker. I want the sticker in front and then glitter behind. So I'll give it a little while and then we'll come back. Okay, so I am showing you, it's not quite there yet, but these did float on me, so I'm just trying to move them back a little bit and more of a center location on these spots. Trying to squish them down to the bottom. I'd like them to be kind of more down towards the bottom of the mold, which will be the front when I flip them over and take them out. So I'm going to keep an eye on them and see how they do. Alright, welcome back. Now, I've been shifting these around from time to time, so they may still shift, but it's just a little tacky. Just a little bit of strength. See, it's still kind of moving that one around on accident, but I'm going to put some of this glitter behind it, and hopefully the glitter won't get underneath my photo or my stickers. And we'll see how it turns out tomorrow, but I want to go ahead and put some glitter in there. Alright, so I'm just going to be using this nice little tool. Picked up at the dollar store somewhere. So this one is just almost like a navy royal type blue. More of a royal blue. I'm going to get some of that and just go over this one. And it's probably going to go under there. I feel like it's sinking in. Like I said, this is kind of experimenting with this. We'll see. Maybe next time I'll just make a whole new layer with just the glitter in it. Clean it up. Hopefully my dark won't get into the light. Just lightly tapping so that will go in there where just where I want it. Maybe not so much as the other color. I just a little more on this area. Shouldn't have done that over the top of the other ones because it could have got glitter in there, but shh, no one's seen it. We'll see. Sorry, I didn't even show you the other two. This is the blue and the pink. It's really pretty pink, but it's so dark in here you can't really see it. This one's just it's really pretty. It's like a dark teal. It's Like it just looks green to me on the screen. But it's really pretty. Almost like an emerald teal, kind of. I don't know. I don't think these glitters come with names. Just different glitter. And I think that one's going to be so pretty. I don't know how I did it, but it seemed to spread across the thing of the mold area better than the other ones. Yeah. Sorry for the noise. This lid did not want to go on straight. Oh, I'll leave it. Alright, well, that is it for today. Tomorrow I will come back and see how we did. See you soon. Just panning over, I have a little desk lamp turned on. Of course, it's kind of the yellow tinted light, so I'm just panning over, give you a little bit different color. Maybe you can see it a little better with this light, I don't know. You can let me know in the comments below, but we'll check it out tomorrow and see how they come out. Welcome back this morning. I'm going to go ahead and take these out of the mold and let's see what it looks like. I'm sorry. I don't know what that was. Or that. Getting some messages. I apologize. A blue one. Another blue one. Ooh. And we have a beautiful green one. I'm just not taking the pink one out right away. It has the glitter, I don't know, cured a little faster, and the glitter didn't sink in to the resin. It has little mounds on it, so I think I maybe do a little more on top of that and then take it out. But I think these others came really cute. Ta-da! Beautiful. And the glitter did not go under my things. So that's awesome. I don't know what that is. Maybe one piece, maybe? No, it's just, huh? I think one piece of glitter got under there. But that's okay. I can live with that. Well, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.